What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at Boeing stock today. As you can see, we've had a large drawdown ever since March 2019. We started dropping, and then we had the significant drop during COVID, and we haven't recovered yet. It seems like we've tried pushing back up, but we're kind of almost creating like a double top, or it's just really a double bottom to push up higher, or a triple bottom. So we could really be creating a nice little triple bottoming pattern to push up higher, or we can continue to kind of just chop and eventually break out. I do think once price reaches this level here, we have a chance of making a decent move to about 338, but we need to break 270 and 252. This region here, we want to break that. We definitely don't want to fall underneath this trend line that we have underneath here. This has been holding very strong since 2011. We've been respecting it pretty well. So if you are interested in Boeing, this could be a potential opportunity to purchase. As you can see, I mean, it's been respecting this trend line since 2011. So the odds are in your favor. It doesn't mean it's going to play out, but it could play out very well in your favor. Me personally, I'm not into airline related stocks or any kind of airline manufacturing stocks, or any aircraft manufacturers, nothing like that. It could be a good opportunity for you. Or underneath everything, we just fell underneath the 200 month, which is that's not good at all. We definitely want to get back above that. As you can see, we definitely don't want to fall underneath that 200 month moving average. We fell underneath it after the dot-com bubble. So it started in 2000, but then we had that additional drop. Then the global financial crisis, we had it 08. And then we had it during COVID. And slightly in 2022, and then now. So it does not happen very often, as you can see. So this also indicates that it could be a good buying opportunity, seeing the history that has happened with it. And then when you take a look at the gains that you get when you reclaim the 200 month to the upside, 240%. Once you broke above it here, you ran up 800%. Once you broke above it here and you wicked off of it, you ran up 120%. Here, 78, 80%. So I wouldn't doubt that we see something like that again, whether it's 80, 100%, something like that. So it could be a great opportunity if you are a long-term investor. This is the monthly chart. I don't see a point in looking at daily candles for Boeing. Definitely a long-term idea. On the Bollinger Bands for the monthly, we have hit the bottom band and we got a sharp move off of it, which coincided with this long-term trend line. And let's see if we make it to the blue band and can surpass it and make it to the red band. In terms of Fibonacci, from the global financial crisis to the top, we have fallen underneath this golden zone recently. We want to reclaim that. So we want to get a push back into the 618 and eventually to surpass the 0.5. And then we can have a sustainable move to the upside. And when you pull a fib from here, you flip the fib and you pull it from here to the bottom of the COVID crash, you have your golden zone, the 0.5 to 618 in a bearish direction. And as you can tell, it's been playing out pretty well where we've had two strong resistance levels right here at the 0.5. So, and it also lines up with the resistance zone that we drew out earlier in this video. So this is gonna be a tough level to break through because you have a golden zone and you have resistance on top of you. So once you can surpass the 618 at 306, we could probably get a nice move up. But we've had two touches of the golden zone and we shot back down twice. So let's see what happens when we reach it again. Will we fall back down or will we break through? That's all I have for you guys in this video. I'll see you in the next one.